Warning.
You ready? 3, 2. Off safety would be a lot better. 3, 2. I know one of those hit that damn thing in there, bro, unless it fell over. Bro, I hope it didn't hit it and not blow it up.
First name G, last name where I came from. When I'm back home, I'm more open with my day ones. Keep losing homies, that shit makes you wanna stay young. If you got a problem with me, you better say something. It's instrumental combustion, ambition or nothing. I seen 2 women in public and they were kissing and touching. I found myself in the middle of something. It turned into a function. It was different, I loved it, and wait, was that all just a dream? Or is my lifestyle really just as crazy as it seems? Did Wasley get stabbed when it started with some drinks? Did we really go and find him leaving bleeding in the streets? Ask God for forgiveness, still with it with the team. Do I really stay strapped? Is it really him or me? Do I really got the scars that can prove that I've been through it? Is it really in my pocket? Am I really gonna shoot it?
So today we got the Yeet box video for you. What we done is we put some tannerite in a dryer, and I got my little Ruger 5.56 AR pistol, and finna see if we can't disintegrate this thing. I didn't put as much tannerite in it as I wanted to, but if it's not a really big explosion, we got another dryer to blow up too. So either way, it's gonna be lit. So y'all enjoy the show. Hope you like it. Dude, I shot all through that thing. Yeah, I hit it. I say we mix this up with a bunch more and put it in a gallon jug. I hit it. Okay, so we're trying to figure out why that other one didn't blow up. Thinking maybe the plastic was too thin and it just I don't know, needs more compression build up or something. I don't know how to explain it, but I know we've done it in laundry detergent bottles and that works. So this is how you dry your clothes. Oh, hold on, we gotta turn it on. Gotta put it on. More dry, max dry. Right there. Start button. Here in just a minute, everything should be ready to go. All right. Y'all ready? Damn! Woo! Man! Bruh! That almost took your boy out, bro! Like... That landed right beside me. Like, look at all the pieces of dryer right there, bro. I love it. Ah! Holy God, I did not expect it to be that big, man. Look, there's no dryer to clean up, bro. All that, dude, that literally flew like, I almost ducked behind the rabbit cage. Like, that was crazy. That was crazy. Whoa.
Is that a piece over there?
I think so.
And that was only, what, like 4 pounds?
Something like that.
That was like 4 pounds of tannerite. Dude.
Bro, there's just a little base of the dryer left. Like, that's it. There's pieces of dryer in the tree. Man, that was wild. I bet my clothes are dry, but I don't know where they are. This is literally all that's left of the dryer where we put it. Oh, I can't wait to pack that car with 20 pounds. That's gonna be lit. Wow. There's literally dryer everywhere, dude. Dude, there's a piece all the way down there in the woods, like.
Yeah, I didn't think it was gonna be that big.
You did it.
Oh no!
Oh no! Oh, that sucks, bro.
Oh man. Oh, that sucks. I hope my TV cool anyway. Shit. The window's gonna be the landlord problem, the TV's my problem.
Oh my God. What the hell? Bruh.
So yeah, I may have had better ideas before than that one. Oh man.
Oh my God. Are you okay, baby? Are you okay? Are you all right? You cut up or anything? You okay?
There's the piece of metal. It ricocheted off the back of the TV after it come through the window. It's one of them thick pieces of metal too. It couldn't have been like I think that's the door. Yeah, that's the door. That's the door of it. Man, bro, that sucks. Well, I can honestly say I pray y'all enjoy this and share it and get me a bunch of views on this because because this is gonna be really hard to explain to my landlord. So Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, all that good stuff. Till next time, I love you. Stay in the woods. Y'all ready?
Yep.
First name G, last name where I came from. When I'm back home, I'm more open with my day ones. Keep losing homies, that shit makes me wanna stay young. If you got a problem with me, you better say something. It's instrumental combustion, ambition and nothing. I seen two women in public and they were kissing and touching. I found myself in the middle of something. It turned into a function. It was different, I loved it, and wait, was that all just a dream? Or is my lifestyle really just as crazy as it seems? Did Wasley get stabbed when it started with some drinks? Did we really go and find him leaving bleeding in the streets? Ask God for forgiveness, still with it with the team. Do I really stay strapped? Is it really him or me? Do I really got the scars that could prove that I've been through it? Is it really in my pocket? Am I really gonna shoot it?